Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mr. Corpy. For today's video, I will show to you how to create actual wiring diagram of two bulbs which is connected in parallel and controlled by one single pole switch. And without further ado, let's get started. First, let's have our devices, the two bulbs, the bulb number 1 and bulb number 2. The single pole switch, as you can see here, this is the back portion of a single pole switch. The circuit breaker. Next, let's put a junction box where the connections of wires are being done. And now let's proceed to the actual wiring connection, which is the actual wiring diagram. From circuit breaker, line 1 source, connected to the line 1 load of bulb number 1. And again, line 1 source, connected to the line 1 load of bulb number 2. Again, the two bulbs are in parallel connection. So the line 2 load of bulb number 1 and line 2 load of bulb number 2 are connected together all the way to the input terminal of the switch. Take note, the single pole switch has only two terminals, the input and the output terminal. Let's continue. The output terminal of the switch is connected to the line 2 source. And for the last part, the wires coming out from the junction box, let's put a line on this part to represent the wires are connected and covered with an electrical tape. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button and God bless everyone.